Imagine having a magic tool that reveals the most ideal moments to enter and exit the market. Sounds like a trader's dream, right? In this guide, I'll reveal my 10 highly profitable TradingView indicators that consistently deliver impeccable signals, giving you the edge you've been searching for. Whether you're charting your first trade or refining a sophisticated strategy, these indicators are your key to unlocking consistent success in the markets. Without further ado, let's uncover the first indicator on my list, ICT Unicorn. If only you had a trading buddy who never missed a beat, effortlessly spotting those golden entry and exit points while you sip your coffee. That's pretty much what the ICT Unicorn feels like. Designed with the savvy trader in mind, this indicator blends the intricate strategies of the inner circle trader with a sleek, user-friendly interface. The ICT Unicorn indicator merges the concepts of breaker blocks and fair value gaps, offering a distinct method for identifying trade opportunities. By integrating these two elements, we can have a position entry with stop loss and take profit targets on the potential support and resistance zones. This tool is particularly reliable for trade entry, as it combines two powerful entry techniques. When a fair value gap overlaps with a breaker block of the same type, the indicator gives a buy or sell signal depending on the fair value gap type. After the buy or sell signal is produced, the indicator immediately draws the take profit and stop loss targets. You can set up alerts for entry and TP and SL signals, and also check the current performance of the indicator and adjust the settings accordingly to the current ticker using the backtesting dashboard. It shows great results on Solana in 5 and 15-minute timeframes. You can test it in different markets and select the most suitable ones based on the winning ratio and profit generated. If you're looking for something really powerful, the next indicator on my list will truly satisfy all your needs. It's my TradingIQ personal toolkit. After years of testing different indicators and price action, me and the Chart Prime team finally came up with a tool that I believe to be the most effective on the TradingView platform. With this indicator, you can build any strategy that suits your trading style. It works in all time frames and markets. What sets the TradingIQ kit above the rest is its multidimensional approach to price analysis and smart risk management system. Unlike other indicators that focus on particular areas of trading, the TradingIQ tool offers a broader approach. It combines price action analysis, trend identification, and volumetric analysis, offering a more accurate view of the market than any single indicator you know. Here's a killer 15-minute timeframe strategy with the TradingIQ kit. For this strategy, I will add another powerful indicator from the Chart Prime Plus collection, the Prime Oscillator Pro Plus. By the way, all these premium tools come in one package, which is a fantastic deal. Okay, let's customize the TradingIQ kit for this particular strategy. Open the indicator's inputs and enable the 1-hour supply and demand. Disable the order blocks. For a long trade, check the Prime Oscillator Pro for an oversold signal and a bullish divergence. Next, look for a long signal on the chart. Ensure that the price is at the demand level at the time of the signal. Open a long trade and set the stop loss at the recommended price and watch the profits roll in. Click the first link in the description and get your TradingIQ tool risk-free. Next up on our list is an indicator called the Helicator I Theta. Helicator AI Theta is a state-of-the-art advanced script. It focuses on two significant candlestick patterns, 3 black crows and 3 white soldiers, which are widely recognized for signaling strong shifts in market momentum. By detecting these patterns, the indicator provides early warnings of possible changes in market direction, whether it's a bullish or bearish trend. In addition to these patterns, the Helicator AI Theta integrates 2 adjustable moving averages that serve as a filter for the signals, ensuring that traders only act in line with the broader market trend. This reduces false signals and enhances the accuracy of predictions. To further improve trading efficiency, the indicator also includes a cool-down feature, preventing overtrading by spacing out consecutive signals and filtering out market noise. For better results, I recommend changing the MA2 length to 150 and the cooldown period to 100. To increase the strategy's profit factor even more, add an exit indicator. The volume reversals could work very well for this purpose. If this indicator didn't impress you, the next one absolutely will. This tool is called the Market Slayer. It is designed to help you gain a better understanding of market trends by combining key elements like moving average crossovers and trend confirmation to generate clear buy and sell signals. In simple terms, it's like having a set of traffic lights for trading. When the short-term moving average crosses above the long-term one, it signals a green light to buy, and when it crosses below, it gives a red light to sell. What makes it particularly useful is its ability to confirm trends, ensuring you only act when the market direction is clear, minimizing false signals. This indicator is beginner-friendly, customizable, and includes exit signals, making it easy to manage risk. It's also equipped with alerts to notify you when important market events happen, allowing for a hands-off approach while still staying on top of potential opportunities. As the indicator signals do not alternate, you will be able to catch a bigger chunk of an ongoing trend and profit like never before. Save this tool to your collection, and let's explore the next indicator on my list. Introducing the AI-powered breakout with advanced features. The accuracy of this indicator's signals truly blows my mind. It works in lower time frames like 5 and 15 minutes. What sets this tool apart is its ability to adapt to market conditions using artificial intelligence. It tracks pivot highs and lows to identify significant support and resistance levels, helping you spot bullish or bearish breakouts. A key feature of this indicator is its adaptive moving average, which adjusts based on the difference between fast and slow exponential moving averages. This makes it more responsive to market shifts, providing more accurate signals for entering or exiting trades. Visual elements, such as horizontal lines and arrows on the chart, make it easy to interpret. To increase signal accuracy even further, I suggest adding a long-term EMA to the chart. The AI-powered breakout can be a great leading indicator based on which you can craft a highly profitable trading strategy. The next indicator you definitely need to save for your future gains is called ICT Turtle Soup. This tool works particularly well for trading Bitcoin in the 15-minute time frame. The winning rate shown on the backtesting panel exceeds 70%, and the total profit generated is over 50%. This is really impressive for a single indicator. Imagine if you added more layers of protection to it. This script primarily aims to take advantage of reversals that occur after price breaks out from key market levels, like recent highs or lows, only to quickly reverse direction. The indicator automatically identifies liquidity zones, marking areas where traders have placed stop losses. Once these liquidity levels are swept, indicating a failed breakout, the Turtle Soup indicator helps traders spot potential reversals by plotting market structure shifts, signaling the right moment to enter trades. Additionally, the indicator comes with a backtesting dashboard and customizable alerts to help you evaluate the effectiveness of the strategy before risking actual funds. It also adapts based on recent performance, ensuring more accurate signals tailored to current market conditions. With this tool, even beginners can follow a structured approach to capitalize on false breakouts and market reversals, making it a useful addition for short-term traders. Next up, we have the support and resistance, high-volume boxes. This one will be super useful for those of you who prefer trading based on price action. The support and resistance indicator identifies key support and resistance levels using pivot points and volume analysis. It visually represents these levels with dynamically colored boxes, indicating the strength of the volume. This helps recognize potential price reversals and key zones for buy and sell opportunities. The indicator plots support and resistance boxes based on pivot points and volume above threshold for positive volume boxes and below the lower threshold for negative volume boxes. Boxes are color-coded based on the amount of volume. Green boxes indicate support levels with positive volume. Red boxes indicate resistance with negative volume. The indicator gives hold signals in a form of a diamond. Green diamonds indicate when support holds, signaling potential buy opportunities. Red diamonds indicate when resistance holds, signaling potential sell opportunities. If the price falls below a support level, that level will become resistance. If the price rises above a resistance level, it will often become support. As the price moves past a level of support or resistance, it is thought that supply and demand have shifted, causing the breached level to reverse its role. Labels break sup and break res are displayed when support or resistance levels are broken, indicating significant market movements. These breakout signals can be very powerful, especially when combined with other technical analysis tools. Based on what we've learned, let's build an effective strategy for trading in short time frames. Open the indicators and search for Adaptive Trend Finder. The rules for a buy trade are as follows. First, an adaptive trend finder should be ascending. Second, the price should break above resistance with high volume. Place a stop loss below the resistance zone. Target is no less than 1.5 times the risk. I know many of you like the RSI indicator. But what if I told you I had found something much better? Introducing the RSI, kernel optimized. The RSI, kernel optimized, is an advanced version of the classic relative strength index indicator. It integrates a statistical tool called kernel density estimation, which helps identify key turning points or pivots in the market. These pivots are essential because they signal potential trend reversals, making it easier for you to know when to buy or sell. In simple terms, it represents the likelihood that the current candlestick is forming a pivot point based on historical data patterns. A low percentage suggests a lower probability of the current candlestick being a pivot point. In these cases, price action is less likely to reverse, and existing trends may continue. At moderate levels, the possibility of a pivot increases, indicating potential trend shifts or consolidations. You should monitor closely for confirmation signals. An even higher percentage suggests a strong likelihood that the current candlestick could form a pivot point, which could lead to a reversal or significant price movement. These points often align with overbought or oversold conditions in traditional RSI analysis, making them key moments for potential trade entry or exit. The indicator even includes visual aids like arrows to mark bullish or bearish signals, and you can customize it to match your strategy. It works well in combination with order blocks, support, and resistance or fair value gaps. Traders, get ready, because the next indicator will shock you with its accuracy. It's called the inverse Fisher oscillator. The inverse Fisher oscillator is a powerful tool for identifying market trends and potential reversal points by applying the inverse Fisher transform to normalized price data. This indicator plots multiple smoothed oscillators, each color-coded to signify their relation to dynamic volatility bands. The indicator calculates and plots 6 different inverse Fisher oscillators, each smoothed at increasing levels to provide a layered view of price momentum. It also plots numbered signals on the chart when an oscillator crosses above the upper volatility band or below the lower volatility band. The dashboard in the bottom right corner of the chart displays the market trend based on the inverse Fisher oscillator for 6 different smoothing levels, providing a clear visual summary of market direction. Directional symbols, up, down, or neutral, are displayed on the dashboard, color-coded to represent bullish, bearish, or neutral momentum. Here's one of the most accurate ways to confirm buy or sell signals with this indicator. With this secret method, you open a buy trade when all 6 oscillators cross the upper band in a perfect sequence like it's shown in this example. Here's an example of a signal you would ignore. Similarly, for a sell signal to be valid, all 6 oscillators should cross the lower band in a perfect sequence like this. Finally, let's unveil my last indicator, the range detector indicator. This is a tool designed to identify when the market is ranging or trending. It features upper and lower bands based on price highs and lows, helping traders spot ranging markets, trend reversals, and potential breakouts. It's super effective at identifying times when market participants show less interest in buying or selling the stock. I would not recommend using it for opening trades based on these breakouts. However, let me show you a powerful strategy with the range detector and cumulative volume delta divergence indicator. Here's how it works. You take long and short trades based on the cumulative volume delta divergence indicator signals. The signals are filtered by the range detector. For better performance, access the range detector settings and change the depth to 30. This strategy shows good performance on Bitcoin 30 minutes time frame. Traders, if you enjoyed today's video,